Alright, YouTube. Today we're going to be going over the tool disposal notice from Harbor Freight. What a name to call it, huh? Tool disposal. I'm going to start off with the toolbox here, or the tool cart. 149. I mean, it's pretty decent. If you're looking for a welder there to start off to learn how to weld, that's a good one to start. Got the miter saw there. The pancake, I would stick with oil. I wouldn't go oilless, so stick with the ones that have oil in them. Now there's the snap-on. Compared to the snap-on, it's a nice hose to have. Hose reel. That way it's not messy all over the place. You can get this for free if you just wait for it to come out. I mean, there's coupons out there. You can download the app and get the app and get those coupons for free. So. Alright, let's start with the top. I mean, these pliers are okay. That's a better brand. Some of these I guess they're okay. The ones I wouldn't go with is the Harbor Freight brand. These are kind of, I don't know. Heard bad things about these. I guess the ratchets are okay. The Pro Series. I mean, you get what you pay for, but they're pretty decent if you just do some work around the house, or do an oil change here and there. Pretty good. Yeah, just be careful with these. Sometimes you'll get a set, you get one missing in the middle. And be careful with the thinness. Sometimes they're very thin and they'll break. So be careful with these. More items. I want to try this out. I want to give it a try, see how that works. Some toys. Extension cords. I guess if they're pretty thick, they should be good. They have different thicknesses. They got the heavy duty and they got the light duty ones. This is their flashlights. Their LED bar flashlights. They're pretty good. I have one. You get it for $19.99. Generators. I have no idea about generators. So if you guys have one of these, let me know in the comments. Drill presses. That's a nice little set. These little hitches are pretty good. I seen them for $40. I mean, I seen this one for $39.99. It's good quality. I have the heavy duty hand truck right there. I seen this one's pretty good. Big tires, easier to carry a heavy load. Here's a free light again. They're car jacks. I heard good things about them. I would recommend them. My brother has one. He has this one actually, the Daytona. That one's real good. You can even leave it for days and it'll stay up. I mean, these tools, bearings and seal, driver set, you just gotta be careful with these. Sometimes they could be putting your life in danger, especially with these strut spring compressor set. I heard somebody got hurt on that, or didn't get hurt, but one of these snapped. So I don't know. I couldn't tell you guys about this. Haven't used it personally. The winches. I mean, what could go wrong with the winch? If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Not unless you're hanging yourself from somewhere. Then I wouldn't use these. I would use a name brand. Alright. Hercules brand versus DeWalt. I wouldn't go with Hercules. I mean, for $109, you could get yourself a name brand screwdriver, drill, or impact drill. I mean, there's shop around, guys. Chicago brand. I mean, some of the stuff, it's okay. I heard. Back in the day, I bought a drill, and it broke on me. So I don't know. That was back in the days when these were orange or something like that. Now they're a different color. The Bayer or Bauer brand. I mean, I haven't heard bad things about them. I mean, it's probably a good starter drill, Nothing that you're going to use every day. These are great little bits right here. There. If you download the app, there's a coupon for these for 99 cents. Just put it in your impact drill, and then just put a socket in there, and you're good to go. Easy and simple. And if it breaks, buy another one. 99 cents. Have another for a spare. I haven't used any of these, so I couldn't recommend any of those. Their impact sockets, they're pretty good. Heard good things about these. I used the longer impact sockets. Have nothing break on me yet. So the compressors, I mean, if it's oil, like it says here, oil, lube, air compressors, they should be okay for once in a while use, your home. Like I said, if you have a shop, this is not for you. I would just get a name brand. Their nailers, I use their nailers, pretty good. Just keeping a drop of oil on after every use or before every use. Should be okay. Oh, here's a special right here, $87.99 for a 3-ton jack. Not bad. Now here's a flat screen mount right there for $26. Like I said, I seen it for $14, so that's a nice little toolbox there. A little pricey though. I would shop around. Definitely not paying $1,000 for that one. So there you go, guys. That's the tool disposal notice from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you own any of these tools, let me know how they work for you or if they broke. So we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.